Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to open YouTube audio library on mobile. So let's get started. First thing first, open the YouTube on your mobile device and simply tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the help option available in the bottom. After you tap on the help, you will get to see the search address bar there. Tap on the search and write down the audio library and tap on the first option available there. After that, you can see there is an option written that you can also access the audio library directly from, and a link is given there. We can simply tap on the link and get to the direct page for the audio library. So simply tap on this link. You can see open the audio library and there are 2 points. So tap on the link and you will be navigated to the audio library page. Now all you have to do is sign in with your YouTube account. And continue with the process. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.